Today we're going to determine an equation of a line given a set of coordinates. So we're going to determine the equation of a line given these two sets of coordinates. This one we've got a negative x value, -1, and a positive y value. And here we've got a coordinate, a -3x and a -5y. And we're going to use the slope y-intercept form of the line, where y equals mx, or slope times x, plus b, called slope y-intercept because we've got a slope and a y-intercept form. We've already covered how to find slope, so we'll start with that. That's always step one. Step one, find slope. So we'll get the slope equation, slope formula, m equals y2 subtract y1 divided by x2 subtract x1. Paying attention again to the most common error, which is inverting. Don't invert. Keep your y as your numerator, your x as your denominator. Now we'll do our substitution. It doesn't matter which y or which x you pick. You could put this over here and that becomes your y2. It doesn't matter as long as if you pick this as your 2, then you have to pick both the x and the y. So we'll start with this, subtract that. -5 subtract 1. Then I have no option. I have to start with -3 subtract -1, which becomes +1. So doing the math, we have a numerator of -6, a denominator of -2, simplifies to a slope of +3. So we've got this part covered in our equation of a line. Now to finish our equation, we have to determine our y-intercept. The x and the y stay as an x and a y because on the line there's an infinite number of x and y's, but there is only one slope on the line and only one y-intercept, only one spot where it crosses. So how are we going to do that with 3 unknowns? Well, we have 2 options. We're given an x and a y there and another set over there. Doesn't matter which one you pick because both of these coordinates are on the same line. So it doesn't matter which one we decide to pick. We'll pick this one just because it's first. So we take that set of coordinates and we place our x and our y, substitute and put them in. So step 2 is pick a set of coordinates and substitute. Alright, so we've got y is 1 equals 3 times -1 plus b. 1 equals -3 plus b. Moving this over to the other side, we have our y-intercept as 4. And now we can complete our equation. Y equals 3x plus 4. And we have determined the equation of a line given this set of coordinates.